Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Azure Storage in 60 seconds by Saad Ali Sayed, network and vSphere administrator and virtual instructor, 8 Nanotech X and founder of NetPlatform. Azure Storage is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft that allows you to store and retrieve your data over the internet. It provides durable and scalable storage solutions for various types of data, including files, logs, tables, and views. You can access your data from anywhere and integrate it into your applications seamlessly. Azure Storage ensures high availability and reliability, making it a reliable choice for storing and managing your data in the cloud over the internet. Azure Storage queue block table file account shell container pictures movies block image 001.jpg image 002.jpg move 1.avi.